Hi folks, how are you today? It's afternoon and I decided to make a video here about the things that I have decided to do with my layout. I have decided to um, start with the track and keep adding on to it. The yard is coming, the siding is coming, and I'll keep you guys updated about that. But today I wanted to go someplace, and as you can see, I do have a train running. I wanted to go to a place that not too many people will mention, but it has to do with trains, and and that's why I'm here today. You know, in life, certain things do happen, and it can affect you. The death of a parent, the death of any loved one. But I'm here to say that they are around you. They're around you. People you love and they pass are there around you. And how do I know that? Back on the island, on Long Island, when I was running my G scale trains, I had about 500 feet of track, real 500 feet of track. And with that, I made a real roadbed. I had stone dust brought in, truckload, and I did that all by hand. And when I was finished with it, I had 5 trains running on the same time. And it was really cool, a lot of work. I did my own maintenance on the track and on the trains. But let me get to my point here. I'm going to try and spin this around so you can see what I'm saying, see me talking. So hang on a second. Oh, that didn't work. I can't see myself. Boy, oh boy. So, well, that's not going to work. So let me just explain. When I was finished with the railroad, okay, and I'm standing there admiring it. I had my engineer's hat on, and I'm standing there all by myself, nobody around me. And this is the gospel truth. I don't lie. All of a sudden, somebody, something, patted me on the head, and nobody was around. I didn't get afraid. I didn't run into the house. I just said, "Oh, okay, someone else is here," and somebody else was there. Now, who could that have been that would pat me on the head and admire the work I was doing too? The only person I would think of was my father, who had passed away years before. So can they come back and watch what we do here on the earth? Yes, they can, because he did. I don't know what kind of strings he pulled or who he spoke to or anything like that. All I know is somebody patted me on my head, and it had to be my father, the only one. So, with that, if anybody lost anyone, please know that they are there looking at you and making sure you're okay from the other side. All right? And really, that's it. I should be getting the track next week. And I'll start to expand this. Instead of just a long loop, I'll have a yard in and a siding, and then I'll start doing the other side of the layout, which is just as long as the one on the left, and I'll have to do things with that too. So with that, folks, that's it. Keep the faith, and I hope you all enjoy this video. I don't even know what this channel is, a vlog or whatever. I don't know where this is going to go. So whatever I say, is what has happened to me. Okay, with that, like and subscribe. That will help this channel grow. All right, thanks, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.